So this absolute fucking icon has given us yet another makeup trend. And the more I saw other people doing it, the more I was like, okay, now I gotta do it. So let's fucking go. So far I have seen this look in pink, pastel blue, yellow, but I have yet to see anyone do it in like a more minty shade, so that's what I'm gonna do. Even though I am an eyes first type of girly, this look does call for base first, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I took some face paint and mixed it on the palette, and now I'm just gonna start blending it under the eye and a little bit into the inner corner. I'm also gonna take a little bit of white on the same brush and add it to the innermost part. Set everything with some translucent. That's all set. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Mint Juvia's Place palette, and we just gonna brighten this bitch up a bit. Ooh. The next step is to put the same color in your waterline, but since I don't have an eyeliner that color, I'm just gonna take a white eyeliner and set it with that same mint eyeshadow. I already know this shit is about to look so fucking... Just need some lashes and some rhinestones, obviously. You know what I think is the most iconic part about this fucking trend? Obviously, the look itself is stunning, but what's truly legendaric is the fact that this artist is constantly getting shit for their signature bright under eye, as in this one right here. And instead of getting upset, my good sis was like, you know what? Watch me make it a trend, huh? And would you look at God? I absolutely love this look. It is fucking stunning. I can't say I pull it off as well as the original artist, but I loved doing it.